Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can hard reset your Infinix device in both lock and unlock mode. Basically, we have two reset options. First is soft reset and other is hard reset. Soft reset doesn't clear or erase all data, but hard reset does. And if you guys also don't know the phone password, so don't worry, I'm giving you the method. Okay, let's start. If your phone is unlocked, so just go to settings and scroll down to system. After selecting this screen appear, then there is option reset phone. Just click it and click on erase all data. After that you have this window, just press on erase all data and your phone start erasing and all the data will be wiping. It's a simple method and this method is applied when your phone is unlocked. But now if your phone is locked and you don't know the password, so don't worry, I am giving you the solution. Firstly, just turn off the phone. After turning off the phone, press volume up and power button at the same time. After this window appears, then press power button and this volume up button. I repeat again, first press power button, after that press volume button, then this windows appear in which we have many options. We want to go on wipe data and factory reset, just press volume down button, then power button to select wipe data and factory reset. After that we have wipe all user data, this cannot be undone, cancel, and then on the very bottom we have factory data reset. Just press volume down button and then select factory data reset. After that you see all the data start wiping. It may take some time but usually it will done in some seconds. After that just select reboot system now. That's it. And within 3 to 4 minutes, your phone will start again. See, this means your phone is restarting now and all the data already erased. See how easily we can reset Infinix device, and this method is applied on all Infinix devices. So that's it about the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just like the video and follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.